I'm Sakshi Sharma, and today I'm going to talk about PAU University, Batumi. So, a lot of you have been asking me about this university, and after a thorough research about this university and talking to students of this university, I have got to know some amazing points about this university, and I would like to share this with you. So, let's start. I'll start with the most amazing part. Like, this is the first university in Georgia which has cadavers. So, in Georgia, there is European law, and in all other countries of Europe, there's this law that you cannot use cadavers. So, Georgia also follows that law, but this university, because it has a lot of branches around the world, does not have to follow the European law, and because of that, they have cadavers. And I will put some pictures out there which students have sent me, and that is the best part of this university because I think that when people are in India, they think that they won't be able to learn anatomy because they don't get cadavers here you get dissection lab, here you have all the things that you need to learn anatomy. So people who want to have practical learning skills, if you want to learn anatomy and want to dissect cadavers, this is something that you can choose because this is the only university in Georgia that provides cadaver. So the second and the most important question that people ask me is that what is the FMG passing percentage of this university? So last year the FMG passing percentage of this university was 60%, the second most passing rate in Georgia. That makes it the leading university in Georgia. Apart from that, they also provide free USMLE courses. So if you feel like you want to take USMLE exam, they give you free courses along with their curriculum. So you will not have to pay extra for the USMLE course. They will have it for you. I think that is an amazing thing too. Now, people asked me about the fee structure of this university. So, the fee of this university is 6,500 US dollars, which is around 5,60,000 rupees. So, if you are taking admission from an agent or an officer or a consultant or from a website, it will be 6,500 US dollars. But I know some people in the university, the administration staff. So, you can DM me on Instagram or message me on Facebook. I can help you get discount. I'm not going to take any money. So if you get that discount, the fee will be cut down to 4,800 US dollars, which is 4,15,000 rupees. So instead of paying 5,60,000 rupees, you will be paying 4,15,000 rupees every year, which is a significantly lower price and a very good discount. So if you want discount, you can DM me on Instagram or message me on Facebook, whatever is your preferred social media site. The link is in description, so you can click on the link and you will get to my profile. So a lot of you have been asking me if this university has its own hostel or not. This university does have its own hostel, and the price of hostel is 3,000 per year, 3,000 US dollars per year, and that is around 2,60,000 rupees per year. And let me tell you, this is actually a very good price for a hostel because the hostel accommodation in Tbilisi compared to Batumi has very high price. So if you're going for a cheaper alternative, this hostel is very good, and they also provide Indian food. They have options like pure vegetarian food for people who do not eat non-vegetarian food, and they have non-veg halal food for people who eat halal food. So I think this is a nice hostel because I'm going to put some pictures out here and a video to show you how the rooms look like. So yeah, that's it. Now the next topic is scholarships. So if you're top 5 in the class, you get scholarships. If you're placed first, you get 100% scholarship. That means that you don't have to pay any fees for your next semester. If you're placed second in the class, you get 80% scholarship, and if you're third in your class, you get 60% scholarship, and so on. So if you are studying well and you are performing very good in the class, you get scholarships and you will not have to pay tuition fee. So this is for students who have issues while paying tuition fee, and this is a very good initiative that educational institutions take, and I really like that because even my university gives scholarships. So that is a very good thing that is there in private institutions. So the university also has branches in Washington DC, Belgium, Cyprus, Turkey, and of course Batumi. So this is a very global university. So if you want to go for exchange programs to United States or Cyprus or Belgium, you can go. You can apply and you can go. And apart from that, there are a lot of sports clubs and different clubs and cultural events that happens in this university. So if you want to be in the cultural department or if you want to join a sport tournament, you can do it all. So this university does provide you with extracurricular activities. So I'll end this video here, and if you want discounted price for your fees, you can message me on Facebook or Instagram. I will answer as soon as I can, and I will share you the contact of the admissions office of this university. And apart from that, if you have any questions regarding anything about Georgia or this university or DTMU or any other university, I am here and feel free to contact me. I will answer as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe.
पता है प्रॉब्लम क्या है? सब लोग वीडियो देख लेते हैं फिर सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. प्लीज़.